Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I would like to share my creative process on using scraps to make up a brand new card design. I'm stamping with the Petal Palette stamp set, which is brand new today in the Occasions catalog. So I know what my stamp will be. It's a cluster of roses, and I'm looking through my little scrap bin to see exactly where I want to stamp it. I've already chosen a piece of designer series paper that I'll use for a background, and I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but this is looking pretty good with this watercolor smushed panel that's left over from my Onstage November swaps. I think this will work out well. So I'm going to stick with a black and white design with a punch of color that's lemon lime twist. I like the way that the natural look of watercolor smushing will come out on the rose petals and the rose leaves. And I'm going to stamp it in basic black archival ink. This is a panel of watercolor paper, so I do want to make sure that I allow time for this black ink to dry. And the framelits that are matching the stamp set are amazing. They're wonderful. So here, back into the bin for a piece of black cardstock, and I'm going to die cut as much of that black piece as I can. It doesn't all need to be die cut because it's a big die cut. Since I'm working with green as my accent color, then I'm using lemon lime twist right onto the card base. I'm not adding any layers except for just this little area here. I'm going to keep it very simple because I'm working in just those black, white, and green colors. Then there's no reason not to stamp my greeting down to the card base too. This is working out to be such a simple and easy card, and it's almost made entirely of scraps plus a card base. Sometimes going into that scrap bin can yield some wonderful and amazing projects. I wasn't sure exactly how this project was going to come together today, but I think I'm liking what's happening so far. This little watercolor panel ended up working out very well. It fits in well with the design, and it's a nice accent color. I'm going to bring that color to the inside of the card as well. So I'd love to hear from you on how you store your scraps and how you reuse them. Do you have a special bin? Do you keep them in a special place? Do you have certain cards that are go-tos? I'd love to hear what you do. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. All of the supplies are available right now, including this gorgeous stamp set and dies, in my online store. You can get to my online store easy by clicking jennystampsup.com and then just click Shop Now. All the links are also available right below this video in the video description. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video.
Hi, my name is Trip. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.